Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Stremio on Android. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, and then you want to search for a video player that you can play the movies and stuff from Stremio. So you want to search for an application called VLC. Okay, VLC for Android, and then you just want to install VLC. Okay, and once that's set up, you can go on to Google and you can search for web.stremio.com and then hit go. Okay, and then you'll be on the Stremio website, and for this to work properly you want to create an account. So go to sign up, and I'm just going to continue with Facebook, or so I'll just use guest login. That should be fine. Okay, and then once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and then click on to settings. From here you want to scroll down and you want to go to, keep on scrolling down, and there where it says advanced play in external player, you want to select from the drop down, you want to select VLC. Okay, and then that's set up. You can go back to the home page, and then when you are wanting to watch something, you just click on it and then it will open up in VLC, and you can begin streaming that. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.